Everyone, and welcome back again to my channel for and I got some continuing all the organization of my Pokemon cards, Pokemon trading cards, and also the event of the Pokemon World Championship is now over. So, and it's Team Philippines win. The Team Philippines is winning. Okay, win Team Omo Philippines, and also to the other players of the Pokemon World Championship happening in Yokohama, Japan. So congratulations Team Philippines, Team Omo. And also for today's vlog is continuing of the organizing of my Pokemon cards. So I just found out some cards that it is worth to keep also, and also I but I don't have the Pokemon binder to put it in, so I just have to put in the glass window of my room, compiling all of the Pokemon cards. So for today's video is I'm gonna show to you all of these holographic Pokemon cards and nano holographic also. And so I just found out also that these are also a hidden gem for the Pokemon cards. Okay, so let's gonna start it up. Okay, okay, here it goes. This gonna start it up, guys. So there are two cards over here. So I'm just gonna start with this one also, is because this is worth saving. Okay, so right here is I have a Shadow Rider Calyrex V, but I don't have the VMAX. So I need the VMAX for this one. I need a VMAX card for this one, and also completed this Ice Rider Calyrex V, and also the Ice Rider Calyrex VMAX also. So worth to save is because this is really interesting cards also that you can put it in a binder also. So the next one is also I have this Inteleon V and also Inteleon VMAX. So there's another VMAX which is a Gigantamax also that I am hunting. So just keep on hunting Pokemon cards for to collect all of it. So the next one also right here is the Rillaboom VMAX, Rillaboom B, and also the Rillaboom VMAX, which is the Gigantamax form, also the Gigamax. So the Gigantamax form. So okay, if I think I have also the Gigantamax of this one. So I'm gonna find it. Okay, so here it goes. Is the V in the VMAX. Okay, and on to the next one also is I have this Dragapult VMAX, Dragapult V, and also the Dragapult VMAX, which is also the Dynamax form. Okay, and also I have this Kingler V, and also the Kingler VMAX, which is a Gigantamax. Okay, so this is a good interesting a Mew V in a Mew Dynamax VMAX. Okay, and then also I have some Zeraora V and Zeraora VMAX, which is the Dynamax form. Okay, so and also on to the next one is I have this Gradient B and Gradient VMAX, which is the form of a Dynamax. Okay, and then the Celebi, which is also the VMAX and also the V. So this is the Dynamax form of Celebi. And also another Mew right here is this one, the Mew. This is a holographic one. The Mew V in a Mew VMAX, which is the Dynamax form. Okay, and then this one is the Orshifu, the single strike Orshifu V, and also the single strike Orshifu V Max, which is the form of a Gigantamax. So I'm gonna find also the Dynamax single strike Urshifu V Max. Okay, that is a one heck of a card. Okay, it's a one heck. And also I have the Rapid Strike Urshifu V and the Rapid Strike Urshifu V Max, which is a Gigantamax form. So I needed also the Dynamax also. Okay, and also I have this Blaziken also, Blaziken V, and also the Blaziken V Max, which is a Dynamax form also. And then got some Mimikyu over here, the Mimikyu V Max, the Mimikyu V, and also the Mimikyu V Max, which is in a Dynamax form. Okay, and a Tornadoes. Okay, I also have these Tornadoes over here, Tornadoes V, and a Tornadoes V Max, which is in the form of Dynamax also. And I'm gonna have to compile it again, the this one right here. And then all I need is a binder or Pokemon binder. So I have this Bolton V and a Bolton V Max, which is in the form of a Dynamax also. Okay, and on to the next, which is I have this Corviknight V and a Corviknight V Max, which is in a Gigantamax form. So I also needed the Dynamax form of Corviknight V Max. Okay, that is one interest. It is really interesting also. And also the Agron V Max, which is also the Dynamax form. Okay, and then I have also some Duraludon V and a Duraludon V Max, which is the V Max is in a Gigantamax form. Okay, and also this one right here is a Sandaconda V and a Sandaconda V Max, which is in the form of Gigantamax right here. So needed that also, needed the Dynamax form. And also right here is now all the VMAX form. So the Tapu Koko VMAX, which is in the Dynamax form, and I needed the Tapu Koko V. Okay, and also the Tapu Koko VMAX, which is in a Gigantamax. Okay, and this is also the Lycanroc VMAX, which is I also needed the Lycanroc V and also the Lycanroc VMAX Gigantamax. Okay, and also the Toxtricity VMAX, which is a Gigantamax. I needed the Toxtricity V. I needed the Toxtricity V and the Toxtricity V Max, which is in the form of a Dynamax. Okay, and also the Gengar V Max. This is the Gigantamax. I needed the Dynamax V Max and the Gengar V. A Chandler V Max, a Dynamax. So I needed the card. Which is the Giga Max, and also the Chandler V, the normal one. And also I have another Gigantamax Corviknight. Oh, I think I have it already, this one. Okay, okay, where is that? Okay, I think, okay, that one right there. Okay, Corviknight B, Corviknight, what is this one? Okay, it's a Gigantamax again. So I don't need this. Okay, so gonna compile this into another. Gonna compile this is because I have the Corviknight B and also the Corviknight Gigantamax. So I thought that was another one right there. So right, okay, so That one right there is A also, and then this one right here is all the V card. Okay, I also needed a hunch crow VMAX, and uh, I also needed a hunch crow VMAX Gigantamax and Dynamax also. I needed the and also the orbital, a Drapion, a Lumion, and also the Entei, the Drio, Chandelier, Shamin, Brillium, sa Magenta, Greninja, Cinderace, Morpeko, Genesect, Flygon, Gengar, Raichu, Tyranitar, Simisir, Locario, Appleton, Charina, Drampa, Crabominable, Raikou, Arceus, Zacian, Galarian Slowking, Moltres, Galarian Moltres, Zamagenta, Metagross, Eevee, Galarian Articuno, Suicune, Alakazam, Granbull, Whimsicott, Aegislash, Dracovish, Charizard, Zarud, Galarian Surfetch. Okay, and then this one right here. Okay, this one right here is I needed this one right here. This cards right here is what I need, is those VMAX card, and also the Dynamax and the Gigamax form. What I really need, this one, what I really need. Okay, and this one right here is also the VMAX form of the VMAX form, right? So this is a VMAX form. So VMAX Rayquaza in Dynamax form. I also needed the I also need the Gigantamax of this one also. Hatterene VMAX, it is in a Gigantamax. I also needed the VMAX and the normal V Okay, what is this one? Okay, the Hatterene V. Okay, and then the Victini VMAX also. This is Dynamax form. I needed the Victini V and also the Gigantamax. Garbodor VMAX Gigantamax form. I needed the V1. I needed the Garbodor V and the Garbodor VMAX Dynamax. Ice Rider Calyrex VMAX. Okay, and then is in the Dynamax form. So I also needed the Shadow Rider Calyrex of this one. I also needed the Shadow Rider Calyrex of this one. In the form of V and also Dynamax and Gigantamax. Dracozolt VMAX. I needed also the Gigantamax form of this one also, and the normal V, and also this Metagross right here is in Dynamax form. Metagross VMAX. I needed the Gigantamax and the Metagross V. So Rillaboom VMAX is in the Gigantamax form. I needed the Dynamax of this one also. Okay, and also the regular V. Okay, and also the last one, which is the Tornadoes VMAX, which is in the Dynamax form. I needed the Gigantamax of this in the normal Tornadoes V of it. So I think that's it. Okay, that's it for today's vlog. Okay, as you can see, these are the hidden gems of the Pokemon cards as what I have experienced. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's it for this vlog, and I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so for more vlogs, okay, here in my channel, for all of my hobbies in one channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, subscribe it now, and okay, don't hesitate to subscribe. Okay, kasi mayroon pa po ako maraming mga vlogs po. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy.